Welcome. In this lesson, we will learn how to serialize a cookie name value pair into a set cookie header string in JavaScript. Cookies are small pieces of data stored in a user's browser and are commonly used for authentication, session management, and tracking user preferences. This lesson will cover how to properly format cookies using JavaScript's encode URI component method to ensure they are safely stored and transmitted. Let's get started. Cookies are a way for websites to store small pieces of information in the user's browser. They help maintain sessions, store user preferences, and handle authentication. When a server sends a set cookie header, the browser stores the cookie and is automatically sent back with subsequent requests to the same domain. In this lesson, we will focus on serializing a simple cookie into a valid format. This function, serialize cookie, takes in two parameters, the cookie name and the cookie value. We use encode URI component to properly encode both values, ensuring that special characters are safely stored. This prevents issues like invalid characters or security vulnerabilities when handling cookies. The function then returns the formatted set cookie string. Using encode URI components is crucial because certain characters are not allowed in cookies, such as spaces, semicolons, or equal signs. Encoding ensures that even if the user inputs special characters, the cookie is stored correctly and does not break the set cookie header format. Here are some real-world examples. If you try to store a session ID containing special characters like exclamation mark, @ and hash, encoding ensures these characters are stored safely. Similarly, if a user's name contains spaces, encoding prevents issues when reading and writing the cookie. In real-world applications, properly formatted cookies are essential for session management, storing user preferences, and authentication. Websites use cookies to remember login details, track language preferences, and store session tokens securely. Incorrect formatting can lead to bugs or security vulnerabilities, making proper encoding an important step. In summary, we now understand how to properly serialize cookies using JavaScript. Next, try experimenting with setting cookies in the browser using documents.cookie. You can also explore how to read and delete cookies dynamically. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.